because I'm going to explain why we need this guy here. As you can see, we measure it, it's 50 millimeters, but this is 2 millimeters bigger than this. Why we need these 50 millimeters? I will say 52 millimeters and 1 millimeter for this side, 1 millimeter for another side. But sometimes it might be very different. As you can see, we have more. Sometimes here we can have the same amount. As you can see, we have a millimeter here, but I want to explain another things, that the string or rope should be the same diameter that we have inside this. We have a hole here, and we should put the string or rope through the same amount of. If we put something through this hole, for example, very thick, and it wouldn't show you at the proper level, or as a vertical level. This plumb bar only used for the vertical level, and as you can see, we use the same mount rope for this hole. Then here we put it through this. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't go inside the same this rope or string, the same size as we have inside this, and just let's fix it here like that, and we should open this, and the same thing should be here because we have the same size. We also put the rope through this like this. Okay. And also fix it like this. Okay, now we have to screw it like this. Okay, now we can use it, and I'm going to show you how to use this, and we are going to check this, also measure this, and also if we have about let me show you this distance, have a 52 millimeters, and this is 50 millimeters. That's why we cannot use this one, because this is not the same amount over here. This is a 52, but it's a 50 millimeters. Because it's not. It's not a bigger than this one. It should be bigger, about 2 millimeters. It should be longer and wider, 2 millimeters. This guy, if you buy the plumb bulb, make sure you check this and this. If you don't have this one, you need additional things, and I'm going to show you how to use a plumb bulb without this and with this. And before that, we should check this guy. Okay, as you can see, I hang the plumb bulb here, and also make sure that it doesn't touch wall or what you want to measure or you want to learn. And in this way we are going to use the Vernier climber, and we just in these to the rope like this. Okay, and we are going to make sure you don't touch the ring or rope, and the same amount should be here. If it matches, in this case, your wall or you're installing or you are going to check it, it's good and it's perfect, you can work or you can install this because it works normal. Or you can take something, for example, the L square below like this and or like this. You can measure it from here at the same time on top of the measurement, and as like this you can check your wall or something if you want to know. But another way to, if you have this one, it's much easier. Just lean this plumb bulb. Let me remove the finger that you can see. As you can see, we lean and we only check the plumb bulb. As you can see, it doesn't touch the wall, and at the same time it's not away about a millimeter from the wall, that we are sure that our wall is perfect. Okay, but now I'm going to show you how to change if the one of the level guides or If you don't have this or this kind of level, how we can level using the how to use a plumb bob and check the horizontal level. Let me explain. And as you can see, I hang that it's vertically level, and now we take a after square and slowly lean this to the and very close to the thing of the plumb bob, and just take a line like this, or as you can see, we have a 45-degree angle here, and we have a 0 angle here. And also we can put the rope to the okay, like this, and also we should put the 45-degree like this and 0 if it's intersect the 45-degree and 0, we just like this, and we just draw a line here like that, and now our level, horizontal level, is okay. And in this we can use the plumb bob and after square to check them, and the same thing we do with the L square. We can use this like that, or we can lean something straight over here using, let me show you another way, the wall, and we just lean the something, it doesn't matter, it's level or something other thing, and we put it. At the same time we can use a L square like this and make another horizontal line. It's a laser level. It's very useful, and I always use this. We have different kind of laser levels, and we just and we have two horizontal lines, and it might be different. If you have a one line, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, draw a line here. Let me show you. Okay, let me block. Okay, let me check it at the laser level. It's okay. I'm going to show you how the laser level works. And we have 3 buttons here. One of them is for the horizontal to switch or turn it off. Another button for the vertical line. And as you can see, we have 2 lines, and we have a section here, and as you can see, we have to adjust the legs of the laser level. Okay, now it's good now, and we turn one of the vertical lines like this, and we press the second time. It's turn on other. What if we press the third time? It draws a 90-degree angle here. Okay, but make sure that if you work with the laser level to have a protection glass, it's very dangerous for the eyes. Be careful. Okay, it was the last